Yep. No, I don't think that run was that bad, Aiden.
Yeah.
It had no more ice on it than any of the, I mean, it had less, I think, than last time.
It had less than I thought it was gonna have.
And there are some areas of hardpack, but
Yeah.
people. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Mama, rock me. Where now to?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We could go try, maybe...
Let's go through the
Park?
terrain park and then down to the triple. How's that?
Alright.
Although I just said that and look, they stopped.
Oh yeah.
My intention is to make it to Mogul Monster, just so you know.
Okay.
But either way, we will all meet at the bottom of the triple. Sound good?
Yeah. Holy, look at the line. There. There.
Which, the line of cars, line of people?
Cars.
Yeah, but look, there's gaps in it. We found a place to park and there's gaps on the road, so I think this is as long as it's going to get. But it is pretty long, I agree with you. I always figured that place on the under the bridge that you can see would be a good place to park also, if you've got season passes and you don't mind getting dressed outside. Because you just a little hike up the hill and then there you go.